Hello students, topic for today's lecture is anticipatory breach. What breach means? To break a contract. Suppose we are in a contract and in between one does not perform his function is termed as a breach. Anticipatory breach is an action that shows one party's intention to fail to fulfill its contractual obligations to the another party. An anticipatory breach ends the counterparty's responsibility to perform its duties, right? Demonstrating the other party's intention to breach the contracts gives the counterparty grounds for beginning legal action. And anticipatory breach is also referred to as anticipatory repudiation. What we learned that when a contract is being breached is termed as when a contract is being broken or incomplete or there is failure in the performance of a particular contract is termed as a breach, right? We can also say anticipatory breach as anticipatory repudiation. An anticipatory breach of contract is an action that shows one party's intention to fail to fulfill its contractual obligations to the another party, right? Then an anticipatory breach is also referred as an anticipatory repudiation. We just learned this point. Then the parties claiming an anticipatory breach, that is the party who claims for the anticipatory breach, are obliged to make every effort to mitigate their own damages if they wish to seek compensation in the court. That it is their duty to make every effort to mitigate their own damage if they want any type of compensation in the court. Then the intent to break to the contract must be absolute. Refusal to fulfill in terms of order for it to qualify as an anticipatory breach. Now, next is that anticipatory breach also occurs when a party demonstrates its intention to break a contract. However, vocal or written confirmation is not required, and failure to perform any obligation, that is failure to perform any duty in a timely manner, can result into a breach. That whenever a contract is not performed, if there is a failure to perform, it is basically termed as a breach of contract, right? Then by declaring an anticipatory breach, the counterparty may begin the legal action. If there is a breach, then counterparty, that is the party who is in the against, may begin with the legal action, may also go and file a suit immediately after rather than waiting until the terms of a contract are actually broken. I hope the concept must be clear. Thank you.